Just a month and 2 days after a freight tanker explosion claimed at least 22 lives near this very spot, another accident has struck, adding to the growing list of casualties on this dangerous stretch of road. According to eyewitnesses, the accident occurred at about 10 o'clock on Thursday morning. Chizoba, a local food seller whose shop is close to the scene, described the sudden chaos, while Aliyu, the brother of the truck's driver, and another witness, John, provided insight on the tragedy.
I just finished cooking, then I'm giving somebody food. Before you see this big vehicle coming down with speed. So my here sitting here, I just run out.
I'm the second driver of the truck that get this accident here. The driver says he's my brother, and we carry load from Jos to Port Harcourt. The incident happened around after 9 a.m. So the motor fell brake, and my brother was trying to escape, no way, and the motor fell down, and we lost some of our brother. It's about five people has dead.
As we are coming down from Onyeaama, then that trailer was coming down. I didn't know that he fell brake. He was following me, so with his speed, and 3 trailers coming from in front of me. I was waving hand for the motor. Where are you going? Where are you rushing to? So when I see that the speed is too much, I clear for him. I give way for him to pass. With his speed, he passed.
The Federal Road Safety reports that 9 people were involved in the accident. 3 sustained serious injuries, while 5 were confirmed dead on the spot. Among the casualties were 4 occupants of the truck and a young girl who was a passerby.
Immediately when she was coming from the morning mass, she went to their house, coming back to go her lesson because she was about to take her work. So coming back towards this very angle, it was at this very junction. Immediately when the event took place, all this load, the load was the thing that struck her down. So we met her late. I believe that some people are still there. But it's only when the people that owns the very load come, they have to transload it. Then we check the people because a lot of...
We have been campaigning that those into haulage should avoid loading goods as well as passengers. We've been on that campaign.
In an apparent response to the growing number of road crashes along Ugwu Onyeaama section of the Enugu Onitsha Expressway, the Enugu State government had last Tuesday set up a task force to enforce road safety measures in the area. But with yet another tragedy unfolding, questions remain about the effectiveness of these interventions and the urgent need for stricter enforcement of road regulations. Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Enugu.